Hello, and welcome to Easy Math Tutorials. Today, we will be talking about variables. Now, you may be asking yourself, what even is a variable? I'm sure you've heard about letters in math, but what do they even mean? A variable is any time where a letter represents a number in an equation. So in this case, the x is equal to a 3, and anytime you see an x in that equation, you replace that x with a 3. So if you had 4x plus 3, it would become 4 3s plus 3, or 4 times 3 plus 3. Now, the most common letters used for variables are x, y, and z, but actually any letter can be a variable, and in most formal equations, you will actually see Greek letters being used as variables. Now let's do some practice. So, given that x equals 3, we need to find 4x plus 2, very similar to the one I showed you earlier. So, again, we replace the x with a 3, and it becomes 4 times 3 plus 2. Now, remembering PEMDAS, we know that we're supposed to multiply first and then add. If you don't know PEMDAS, you can check out my video on that. So we get 12 plus 2, which is simply 14. Next, if we have multiple variables in an equation, we actually replace all of them at the beginning. So the 3x becomes 3 5s, and the 7y becomes 7 7s. And then again, we can multiply to find 15 plus 49. We add those together, we get 64, and then minus 5 gives us our answer of 59. Now it's your turn to try. Solve the following equations using what you have learned about variables and what you have previously learned about PEMDAS. You can pause for extra time if needed. Now try this problem. Remember PEMDAS, and you can pause for extra time. Thank you for watching today's video. Please like the video and subscribe to the channel as it really helps me out. Thank you. See you next time.